Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a fun and easy Eid crown using my printable template. First, print out your crown design. In the printable set, you'll receive 6 different crown designs, so you can choose whichever one you like the most. Once it's printed, it's time to color and decorate your crown. After decorating, carefully cut along the outer edges of all the pieces. Now let's assemble the crown. This piece here is the front center part of the crown, and this long piece is the band that will wrap around the head to form the crown. Take some glue and attach one band to each side of the front crown piece. In your printable set, you will also get 2 extra sheets of decorative bands in case you need to make the crown bigger. There is also one sheet of blank bands if you prefer a plain extension. Simply attach the extra bands until the crown fits comfortably around the head and glue the ends together to close the crown. And that's it, your Eid crown is ready to wear. If you'd like to make this crown, you can get the printable template from my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. And if you enjoy simple crafts, printables, and fun activities like this, feel free to check out my shop for more. Thank you for watching.